my gosh, are you kidding me?
Yeah, it's me again.
Hope this is the good twin brother. The other was the evil twin brother. How are you?
Good.
Hi.
Good.
How you doing?
Hi, guys.
Hi there. Check it out!
Dan Dwyer made it.
How's it going, Monty?
Good, man. This is the heaviest camera I can lift this weekend.
Hi.
I have been on a little fishing boat with the little motor in the back for the last week. This is amazing.
All right. Hi, Dan.
Hey, man.
Great.
In the room right here on the large bending.
Hi.
Hey, Dan.
And that's Jay Premack back there, huh?
Yes.
I'm Nancy.
Nice to meet you.
Let's see.
Yes. Good here.
Hey, Dan. How are you, Marlon?
Doing all right. How are you?
Good. Very good. Wertheimer looks like he knows his way around. Hello.
Dave, I'll put the list right over here.
All right. We're going
Down the main.
How are you?
Good, man. I'm shooting a little home video tonight.
All right.
You guys will all be remembered in my family.
It's a beautiful evening.
There's Gary Luzar.
There he goes panning. Oh!
Hey, you could do that with one of these.
Station of the year, man. Thank you, Mr. Hubbard.
Did you find what I see yet?
You know this guy? I went 3 times to see him at the farmer's market. That's where I met him. 3 times a year.
Keep trying.
Sarah, smile.
Hi. That's
No.
very clever.
That'll never work.
I was at the workshop. I get home. My wife tells me she's pregnant.
Keep her 1 second, guys.
Yeah.
So if they page him, he's got to swim back.
What? He's still got his cell phone in his pager.
That's not a good trade-off.
Okay. We got it.
Oh, we need to still in the stand. We're ready to go.
Part of the team. Couldn't do it without you guys.
You could, but thank you.
You guys have won Emmys, you know? 1 or 2 from KR, 3 from KSTP. And 3 years ago, they made fun of our reporting staff. Remember that?
Yep, they kind of look down their noses.
Anybody else ready for a drink?
Angela.
Hi, Totally priced.
Wow.
Sweet. Cafe. Oh, they did win.
They did win. I'd say 1.
17.
And Wisconsin lost to Cincinnati.
No. Yeah. From here to the 94 bridge and there, about 50 foot through here.
See, you were Schulte 1 to me, because I worked with you in care.
Schulte 2.
So to me, in fact, September 21st, 2 years ago was my first day here.
Sounds exciting.
Jeff is in Sioux Falls.
Well, I mean,
No, his daughter's playing. All right, do you like one of those idiots?
You should know better. The biggest school. What are you doing?
You know what?
Packages are really great. So there's one thing I like reading my scripts and we're in
She learned young.
That is a monster camera.
It's the top of my head. Okay. I'm like,
He's working for KTIS Radio. Christian.
Oh, you know what? Somebody gave me a story. I give us to do a story about their morning drive tea.
Yes, I wanted to do that.
Did you?
I want to do that. You want to do it?
Someone recommended. They told me I need to listen to it because it'd be a good story to contrast the.
What is this, artsy fartsy?
This is MTV video. Say hi, Dan. Dan, making a fool of yourself. Okay. Hey, Monty, what do you really think of your coworkers?
Say something goofy.
What do you think of your coworkers?
I think my coworkers are the best bunch of people I have ever been associated with in my entire life.
That is just so special. Okay. Look, Dave, wipe away a tear. Okay.
Yeah.
Over here.
This is a freeze frame.
We really are
popular now that the food is right here. Thank you very much.
Y'all my friends.
You found a place to live?
We did find a place. Unfortunately, our stuff is still in Kansas City.
Reaction.
See, they moved. We were living in Wood. Yeah, you don't understand.
Oh, which daughter?
Show. Running. Well, you didn't know that you were, but
I have not pumped up my tires for my bike.
my bike still, I didn't even touch it or something.
Me neither.
Summer went by.
You know where you are. 18, what's that mean? But then how do you know how long it is? Did you load it at frames?
Monday, Tuesday.
I think it's on the rear focus.
What are you shooting?
What does rear focus mean? No, you did hospital.
I'm steering.
We're going down.
Gotcha at the helm. Okay, smile, Chris. Come back. Okay, that's good.
Throw out the life rafts.
Is that an iceberg?
What's taking my drink?
That's just so I can give to the Coast Guard later when there's.
Get it!
Dave, no, do it! Do it! It goes like this. I'm the geek of the world! Go out there, come on!
Why did Jimmy leave me doing this?
We don't let her operate a camera at the station. I guess we should have maybe clued you in on that.
You ready to take the helm back, Jimmy?
No, he's on break. You're in charge, baby.
I got comedy break.
That's alright, I'm in charge here.
We were lucky to get 3. We went
I
for 4.
can't believe you didn't get it for this.
Don't get me.
What was you saying? Best?
I was there about 94.
He's in a little life jacket.
I remember they had 2 rallies. One, there was like 5,000 people.
Literally just 3.
Daredevil.
This was a good one.
Thank you, Hank.
Are you driving?
It was totally cool.
You may have noticed the H's on all the doors. It stands for house.
Everybody talked about unity and city cars like that.
What about the shrimp?
I had so many shrimp. They were so good.
I think so.
Roy, how many shrimp did you have? About 30?
Are we eating dinner too?
Yes. Oh
I
shit.
smelled something hot.
Better than like scarfing shrimp like there's no tomorrow. I didn't know.
Put the camera down. Down. You're off now.
Like
There you go.
It's still on.
November.
And you know about the company policy that you have to bring a child into the station?
Once a month? Okay, I'll talk to Angie. That's my wife. Angie. I'll talk to her about that.
My wife's name was Angie. Oh, that didn't work out.
But he's got a beautiful child
Oh.
who I can't wait to see.
Oh, wait, I know.
Shoot the shrimp.
He's in kindergarten.
Oh.
Does he have girlfriends yet? You know he does.
See, there you go.
He does have.
And then,
It was
you know,
the first,
my top came off. And then the next thing I knew.
It was your first visit to the
Yeah,
bar. All
I've
right.
only been here once.
Oh, is that for a romantic assault?
Then the air is off. Take away travels.
Just gorgeous. Boring.
My job. And then he proceeded to tell me how fucked up my hours were at work. He's like, oh, you're going to be doing that permanently? No, he goes, how long are you going to be doing that hours? I'm like, what? And he was like, oh, it's terrible. I was like,
Christian, the beef is pretty good, huh?
Pretty good, I would say.
Pretty
How do
good.
you like it?
Rare. Absolutely.
Do you like
Rare.
Right.
I got it like this.
Did you?
Yeah. Not that rare. This is good, right?
Where'd you meet him?
You work in television?
Hi, Schultzy too. Hi, Schultzy.
Schultzy, you get a free copy of the video, bro.
Just for shooting?
Just for shooting.
Oh, baby.
Are you sure you know how to work that thing?
Just be careful with focus. It doesn't do that very well.
And would you like some like this or more rare or more rare? This one?
Oh, actually, how about that one?
This one and that one. A little more? One more.
Thank you very much.
Horseradish if you like. Mustard sauce.
Yeah, this beef.
Thank you.
Hey, Schultzy, don't let your
Yeah, KSTP. Rocks.
Did you already serve yourself, Schultzy?
Hey, no, I've seen him eat. Oh, I'm sorry.
A very fine cuisine.
You know, this is how they wooed me here, Tom.
Okay.
Dean Bunting took me out.
You sound like it. Tyler, what's up? What's up, man? What's up?
No, it'd be 3 years before you saw
Tyler's
it.
just happy to be
Hauser, what? Are you happy to be here?
I hope you're all happy with the meal I've prepared. I know I'm happy.
Are you happy you came tonight then?
Oh, yes.
You off your other
I
important
know.
plans
I have
or
a
what?
frozen Tony's pizza at home in the freezer that was looking pretty good, but
I got looks a little better to me.
this is a little better.
Harlan Hall sing like Barry White.
You better find as good as I can.
Have another martini there, Dan.
Hey, Dan, on second thought,
This ain't bad. This ain't bad at all.
Certainly doesn't suck, does it?
When did you start?
This is the best.
This is how they wooed me here. This is how they got me to come to this station. Dean Bunting took me out for a little candlelight dinner, and I couldn't refuse.
Thank you, Gary.
It was too full, I think. Yes. I don't want the boss to see I'm having fun. No. God forbid.
he will not see this video, I guarantee you.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, all right, enough, Monty.
No. I have met him. You mean the local CBS? He worked with Weiner. He's at KTVT, the local CBS.
No, he's with the network.
Is he?
Yeah. Because
Then he's the bureau chief.
You're first.
Thank you.
Hey, look, Mark. Monty's zooming with his feet now. Very nice. With your feet, not your legs.
It does. That's why this will be my last one before the marathon.
Hey, wait a minute.
Monty, is that thing on? Let me work on the lighting here. I think there's a problem. There's a red light on the bottom of it. I don't think it's working. No, I got a little bit. Hey, Monty.
it's a vigil. It's a candlelight vigil with a makeshift memorial.
What candlelight power is that lighting that you're using? Candlelight vigil. Is it just one?
I think it's 1 lux.
Okay, wait.
Let's do the hey.
It's a candlelight. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Something's gotta go.
Fill in the blank.
It's a makeshift memorial with a candlelight vigil.
Let's always talk about hoes.
No.
You just go ahead and eat your dessert. We'll be over here waiting.
Raspberries.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was I supposed to wait for you guys? Well, I'll have another one.
According to me, it worked.
I know what the shopping center.
Yeah, if you're at the shopping center, on the east side of the shopping center, this Texas Avenue until the stoplight on Highway 7. If you go south,
And there's like a there's something there's a Burger King.
yeah, there's
Have you been to the DSW warehouse at that
The
shopping
shoe place.
center?
That looks good.
Did it go away?
All the ABC positions.
Like 3D dessert. Look at that. Cool. No.
It's follow.
They're coming.
They're baking that thing.
I need to get pictures of this.
Oh, they're having fun in first class.
484 to the Mimi. 484 to the Mimi. I bet you there's a 484 radio there.
Oh, speak of the devil.
Oh, what? Were you talking about me?
Would you like to show your scar or your bruise at any point? Zoom in on that flower.
going out.
Okay, keep going, Brad.
You slide it. That was good.
It was locked. It was very smart.
Baloney, that was.
Camping.
Check the back of the boat. There's something to see.
What do you want?
See here or the rest of it?
When you went by their house?
Oh, I can't believe
This is
it.
dock spot.
No, his dock spot's up at his house.
Oh, that's nice. Just for the,
Loser?
Sir,
Boy, that was a good meal.
good time, period.
Awesome.
I could not. Group picture? Yes.
Yeah.
Where?
Where can we take
Master
it?
bedroom. Mail it to the Hubbards anonymously. How about right back here? We'll see y'all at the station one day next.
See ya, Edie. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
See you guys. Okay, as we say in show business, good night, everybody. Yeah, it's a wrap.
Good right here? Here you go. Good man.
Stop that.
Where'd it go?
Thanks a lot, you guys. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks, Edie.
Thank you. Excellent, excellent.
Thanks for being on, man.
Thanks, Monty. I love your boat.
See you, Cope.
You're welcome, Sarah. Come back anytime.
I'll be with
You're all
Sarah.
welcome back.
Like what's the natural sound?
Good night. Thanks, Sarah, for being here.